Hi, I didn't think I'd be doing a second video, but I thought I would come and show you the wider arc of countryside that the possible east-west route, Route E, might come through. So today we've come on a bike ride and we've cycled through villages like Great Bedford, Roxton, the arc of countryside that could be affected kind of on the southerly border, going from Great Bedford then up to the northern border up near Roxton and Boston, and then we've come across through Colston, Chawston, Reynolds, Ravensden, and yeah, I just wanted to show you the real unspoilt countryside that this route would go through. Just take a moment, enjoy the countryside, and thanks for coming back and seeing this lovely area that I enjoy on a bike. Thank you, bye.